in LA only rains a few times a year, and I bet if it was sunny, you'd still be right here. I should have known. Oh, I should have known. Oh, yeah, in this place it only rains once in a while. Letting things get the best of me, no, it just ain't my style. I should have known. Oh, I should have known. If I had listened to that rain, I would have known that you just don't feel the same. If I had listened to my pain, I would have known. Oh, I should have known. Now I'm looking out my window for the 7th straight day, wishing that the storm would just wash me away. I should have known. Oh, I should have known. Oh, now I'm watching the concrete as it dances below, wishing I had felt all the love that I always shown. Now I'm all alone. Oh, no, no, I should have known. Oh, if I had listened to the rain, I would have known that you just don't feel the same, baby. If I had listened to my pain, I would have known. Oh, I should have known. Oh, the storm, she tried to warn me with every shade of gray. When I saw no signs of letting up, I should have walked away. She begged, she pleaded until I almost drowned. But I guess I didn't notice, 'cause my tears were falling down. I should have known. I should have known. Now I'm looking out my window, watching the sky cry for days, while these vindictive clouds take my sunshine away. I should have known. Oh, no, no, I should have known. Oh, the day that you left me was the day that I died. I changed who I was just to watch you not try. Now I'm all alone. Oh, I should have known. Oh, baby, if I had listened to the rain, oh, I would have known that you never ever felt the same. If I had listened to my pain, I would have known. Oh, I should have known. I should have known.